What's up, online shoppers? If you've ever had to deal with toenail fungus, you know that it is not pleasant. Now let's be honest, our toes and our feet take a beating. So if we can do something for them that helps to prevent them getting into a certain situation, why not give it a try? This is the Perfecto finger and toenail solution. It was gifted to me by the brand. Now I will admit, and it's hard to admit on camera, I did have a little bit of toenail fungus on one of my toes. And I've been using this for a while and it has really turned it around. This is a topical nail treatment formulated with tea tree oil and other natural actives designed to nourish and support healthier looking nails while addressing fungal damage cues. When I first put it on, I was impressed with how easy it went on. It wasn't greasy and it felt very soothing. I was also impressed with how easily it absorbed into my skin and my nails without leaving my hands feeling slick or sticky. After consistent use for several weeks, the appearance of my nails improved with less yellowing and more normal growth visible. Now this is not something that's going to instantly cure your fungus, but it does help manage the infection and it does help to keep it from getting worse. As well, I found that using this regularly also helped with splitting fingernails because it does help to moisturize and hydrate the nail bed. Now, aside from fungal support, this here is also pretty fantastic because it does help with overall nail health. Now, we know fingernails don't grow super fast, and this definitely doesn't make them grow faster. But what I did find is as I apply it and regularly rub it into my nail bed, I find that my nails are stronger and less brittle because they are more hydrated. So what's the verdict after trying Perfecto's finger and toenail solution? Well, if you're looking for something that is essential oil based over chemical based, this is a really good option. If you're patient and committed to regular use, this is definitely a product that can be helpful. And the added benefit of using this is that not only does it help to address the fungus issues, it does help to make your nails more moisturized, therefore less brittle, and that is definitely a plus. So if you're looking for a great option to explore that is based on essential oils, this one here from Perfecto is definitely a family favorite at my house.